Okay, so this will be a quick little tutorial on how to copy paste eyes in Live2D. This guide is for beginners, as most intermediate riggers have already picked this trick up. For those who don't know, this method cuts down on time spent on rigging since you're only rigging one eye and copying it, pasting it, flipping it. There is a bit of a prerequisite before you can do this, which is 1. You need to have some understanding of deformer hierarchy and finished setting up the deformers for one eye. Left or right doesn't matter so long as you focus on one eye. And 2, you'll have to finish parameter setup for the eye as well. If you've done these, then feel free to continue watching the video. If you haven't gotten around to it, then might want to get to that. By the way, the footage is yoinked from my Twitch streams, where I stream my Live2D rigging comms and various other things. Maybe stop by and say hi. Anyways, let's continue. But you see here, this is everything that contains parts of the left eye. This is the entire left eye group. So I right click it, and then I select all these parts, right? And I hit Control C, and I hit Control V. And then... Okay, there we go. It has been pasted. So you can see here in the menu, I'll move my head out of the way, we have 2 left eye groups. So if I move this one, the original should be under it. Oh, but what's this? We have this eye that we don't really care about. So let me Control Z, put back the duplicate. For now, I will slightly make this semi-transparent. So when I reflect it and it's slightly off position, I can just reposition it into the right spot. So we grab our duplicate. We have it selected here. This is the deformer containing all the duplicate left eye parts. So we go into the modeling tab. It's up here. It's been cropped off in my stream, but it's pretty easy to locate. So modeling, go to edit shape, reflect. And you have this little command prompt thingy here. You want to make sure that reflect horizontally is checked because we want to make it flip horizontally. So beep, bam. Sometimes it doesn't exactly reflect properly, but usually it does. If it doesn't, then you can just tweak things around. Yeah, you can see that it's been reflected properly. Wow. So what I'll do now is delete the eye group that doesn't have anything rigged. And there we go. We have successfully copy-pasted the eyes. And you may want to like slightly reflect the pupils if it doesn't match up with the old eye. And you can see here that once I move the parameter for the eyes IL open and eye close, he'll blink. But now you notice, it's linked to only the left blink. Unfortunately, chat's in the way, but... Ah, there we go. And it's also not perfectly cropped or zoomed in. But yeah, if I move the parameter, scrub across the left eye, both eyes blink. You don't want that. You want to unlink the blinking from the left eye into the right eye parts. You might want to rename everything from the left eye that you copied to right eye group. So yeah, this is our new group. And you want to right click it, select all child objects, and go, you see all these parameters up here? We're going to move it from IL to IR. So we click on IL open, and then you see this drop down. You go to change, and then you can look for IR open, and bam. Now it will blink according to the right eye parameter. There you go. And you just gotta do it for like the rest of the corresponding parts, and it's pretty easy. If you guys are still confused, feel free to ask in my Live2D server. We do, well, my Live2D server, my Discord server. We do have a Live2D study room channel where you can ask for help. And if that isn't enough, there is the official Live2D community server.